Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the Bubble Keyboard, a fantastic app designed to make your typing experience more engaging and fun. First, you will need to enable it in your device's keyboard settings, which is a straightforward process taking only a few moments. After enabling, you can easily select your preferred languages, allowing you to type in multiple languages seamlessly. This initial setup ensures you are ready to explore all the exciting features this keyboard offers, making your daily communication much more enjoyable. Now, let's dive into typing and personalization. The Bubble Keyboard offers excellent predictive text and automatic corrections, making your typing fast and accurate. You can also personalize your keyboard's appearance by choosing from many vibrant themes, giving it a fresh look. A truly unique feature is the ability to create custom stickers using your own selfies, adding a personal touch to your messages. This allows for endless creative expression, making every conversation uniquely yours. Moving on to advanced features, the Bubble Keyboard provides access to a vast collection of emojis and GIF, perfect for expressing every emotion. You can also utilize stylish fonts to make your messages stand out, adding flair to your texts. Furthermore, it includes powerful artificial intelligence features, such as text summarization and instant translation, directly within the keyboard. These tools can save you time and help you communicate across language barriers with ease, making your interactions more efficient and creative. To get the most out of your Bubble Keyboard, here are some tips for optimal use. You can significantly optimize your typing speed by using the Glide typing feature, allowing you to swipe across letters to form words quickly. For hands-free messaging, utilize the voice typing function, which accurately converts your speech into text. If you encounter any issues, checking the app's help section or reinstalling can often resolve common problems, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable typing experience every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.